Hello YouTube. I'm going to show you the difference between the older meter and a newer one. These are both CE. This was bought at a Hamfest flea market about 15 years ago. Battery's falling out there. And this is one of my free ones. Okay. This is the new surface mount technology. There's nothing wrong, but it's El Cheapo. It has a name down there. It says YIDA. I'm not going to bother to take a picture of it, but there's what it looks like. Just shucked out. This is one of my free 2 meters. Okay. Shucked out. I come out to use it, turned it on. All it did was flash numbers all over, display fading in and out. So I'm going to junk it. This needed test leads, is why it's been sitting around. And it also needs a battery holder. This one's pretty bad. I don't know if I've replaced it or what I've done with it. This is the older stuff. Now, this says Mastech. About up in here. I could try to take a picture of it. But this has older style resistors. If you can tell, we'll get it in the light here. A lot heavier. I mean, it weighs twice as much as that without the battery. So that's the difference. This one's still working. It still works good. Like I said, it just needs a battery holder. The test leads shucked out. Of course, they are cheap. And I tried fixing them with a piece of brass rod stuff. So these are off the cheap Harbor Freight one. They did go in there. You had to press a little harder. They're not as long, but they work. But I just thought I'd show that difference between the two, what they look like. I mean, surface mount technology is okay, but this is pretty junky. Pretty cheap crap there. Not to put anything down, it was free and they are cheap, but still, you pay $7 for it, expect it to last more than a couple weeks if I had to buy it. But we solved the problem with that, because this will be in an upcoming video. Just take preview. This is sold, according to YouTube videos, under the Mastech name. This is from Harbor Freight. This is their $50 meter. But I'll show it in a different video. So, we don't have no more meter problems. We've solved that. Here, get that out of the way. So, thanks for watching. Look forward to seeing that video on that. I don't know when I'll post it.